All right, let's solve this together. Look at this question on the board. We're given that the height of 4 orange seedlings are 2 cm, 5 cm, 7 cm, and 10 cm. Now, you are asked to calculate the variance. You're asked to calculate the variance. Okay? Now, when you hear variance, this is a measure of dispersion. Okay? And if you look at this distribution here, it's an ungrouped data, right? It's an ungrouped data without frequency. So, for us to calculate the variance of such distribution, we're going to use the formula. A variance is equals to summation, open bracket, x minus x bar, all squared, all over what? N. Now look at this. Summation, x is your observations. Like, these are your observations, 2, 5, 7, 10. They are your x, they are your observations. Now, s bar is your mean. So the mean of 2, 5, 7, and 10. That's your s bar. Now, when you get x minus the s bar, sum it up. Sorry, you take the squares of them, then you sum it up. That gives you this side. Then over n. N is the number of observations, which are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's solve this. Look at it. So we need to get your x bar, which is your mean. And how do you get your mean? You have the mean is 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 over how many they are, which is 4. So this is equals to 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 7 is 14, and 14 plus 10 is 24. So you have 24 over 4. And this is equals to 24 over 4 is what? 6. So you have 6. So therefore, in this case, we have that S bar is equals to 6. We've gotten our S bar to be 6. Now let's make this short table. Here's your X, which are your observations. And we have them as 2, 5, 7, 10. We have X minus X bar. You have X minus X bar, which is for any X you have here, you subtract it with your S bar. So you have 2 minus 6, that gives us minus 4. You have minus 4. 5 minus 6 gives you minus 1. You write minus 1. 7 minus 6, you have 1. 10 minus 6, you have 4. You write it here. And once you're done with that, you have another column. Because of this, you have another column for X minus X bar all squared. So we need to square this. So when you square minus 4, that is minus 4 times minus 4, it gives you 16. So here is 16. Minus 1, when you square it, you have minus 1 times minus 1, which is 1. You write it. 1 squared is 1 times 1, you have 1. 4 squared is 4 times 4, that is 16. Now let's get the summation of this. 16 plus 1 is 17, plus 1 is 18, then plus 16. 18 plus 16, this is 34. Okay, that is 34. So that means the summation of this is 34. Okay, and once you're done with that, now you have your variance, which is summation of x minus x bar all squared all over n. So this is equals to, this is 34. You write 34 over your n, which is 4. So let's divide. Okay, 2 here is 2. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. Here is 17. So we have 17 over 2. And 17 over 2 is 2 into 17 will give you 8. Remember, 1 over 2, or 8.5. So our variance is 8.5 or 8.5. I hope this is clear to you. Right? So do well to like this video if it's clear to you. Do well to like and share to your friends. Follow for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.